Yo, all right. So today is December 9th, 2024. I'm gonna go over quickly my trades from last week. I'm kind of liking this little thing here. Um, you can see how I ended the week. So the gross is what I actually make with the trading. Um, and then we have the fees, and then we have the net. So the net is what I actually make. So the gross is what I did with the trading, like how the price worked, and then what I'm charged with the fees, and then what I end up with. So you can see that yeah, it's not that bad. So I ended up negative 63.50, fees are 33.5. So so this is what I end up losing, but the fees caught up to me. So I'm down that. I was down a lot more than that. Um, this day saved me. If I took this day out, let's take that day out, do it like this. All right, and we can see that at one point I was down, you know, actually not that bad, but still bad enough. That was down. So we multiply this by 100. That's 12,900, about $13,000 or 1,300 bucks. So being able to reduce that to almost half, which is pretty damn good. Reducing it down to half is good. Just doing better management, being able to have one strong trade. This is actually two, but still strong trades. Keeping my losses as small as possible. Um, so that's what I'm working at. So this would be, I guess, 6,000 or 630. So which is not that bad. So that one trade took me down in half because I was having, you can see, a tough week. Um, and I went over it in my other video last night about what I will be looking for this week. So right now we're a little late. It's 8:41. Moving's 8:45. So let's see if there's any news that I need to be concerned about. So there's no news. So the market should hopefully work through my levels that I have set up. Just basically hitting down, especially initial balance, high and low. Um, Basically looking through those levels or the 3 a.m. The Tokyo closing, I think, are open session. This one usually tells me what sessions are. Yeah, so the Tokyo close, which is between 3 and 4, usually around 3 a.m. I see it. Um, and then that's also the London Open actually. So it's a London Open. It's at 3. So the London Open session at 3. Or the Tokyo close, but the London session I guess is a London Open. Usually have a good area for a price to come back to. And then also around 8:30, if we have news, we get something around there, and then initial balance. So certain time periods during the day that sets up opportunities. Um, so and also I wanted to go over to see if there's any news I need to be prepared for. I mean, not news, but earnings. So we do have a meme stock here, GME. GME had some nice rallies during the time where people were pushing for it to keep rallying, going against big money. So GME does have earnings coming up. It may have died out as far as people trying to push it to its limit. Uh, let's grab this. Let's zoom out. Let's go to a weekly is good. Let's type in GME with this one here, and then let's see. So there's a point where price went actually way higher than that. Probably just can't see it. Let's go to the let's do this max. There it is, right? Boom. And actually a lot higher than that because we're not looking at overnight sessions, I think. No, we are. All right, so yeah, so so it definitely has gone all the way up there in the overnight session. All right, the time period where prices really just straight rallied and then came back to it quite some time. So and looked like was it this year also? Yeah, this year also. Let's see what it did during regular hours. Let's mark these highs real quickly. I can clear all of this. I'm done with all of that. That I was doing way before. Let's mark these highs. just for kicks and giggles, I'm gonna stop wasting my time with this one and actually get back to what I need to do because this is not really important, but just to just see how things were. Look like I took it out and nothing happened. Look like it's still there. Let's go to a daily. Like nothing came up though, so those are during actual trading sessions. Sheesh, that's intense. Okay, well that's that. Um, that's that. All right. So, anyways, let's go to what's really important, which is ES, NQ, and VIX. So last week, price continued higher. Let's go to the 30-minute and clear up some stuff first. Clear up some noise. Get rid of these. Get rid of that. Get rid of the lows here. Get rid of this. Look, we came to the settlement price finally and touched it. This is the whole number. This is the previous day. This one can move. This is what Dylan had. Look at that. We came straight to that Dylan number. Bounce. We'll make this into the high. And it's also the all-time high. So I'm going to make it yellow. Because usually I use all-time high as yellow. We'll make it a 3. This is non-farm payroll. And then our low was here. That's our low. That. Alright, and then we kind of bounce off of that. So right now we're respecting this area. Our 3 o'clock is right around here. Alright, so we'll come back to those in a bit. Looks like we're respecting this area as well. So there's no buying here. So right now selling will be my thing. But right now, that's not what we're doing. Let's go to the weekly so we can set up some levels. Let's go to the weekly, delete that. This is also the weekly high. All right, and then what is this? I don't know what this is. I'll come back to it. A weekly low. All right, go to the daily. Zoom out. See that we're in an uptrend, no volume. The weekly's way over there. All right, that's the second. Yeah. I still don't know what these are. Let's go to the 4-hour. Got volume here. And we sold. Okay. So we still have buying potential down here. All right, so buying is still dominant down there. But there's nothing up here. We've kind of cleared these. 1 hour. Cleared enough. Yeah. Been below it. So yeah, I'm probably looking for shorts. Up here. Longs down here. What the hell are these? The men's zone? Okay. Got that. Let's go to that 30-minute. I don't see anything really that's catching my attention. 30-minute. So for the 30-minute, we do need to look at that last end of day or the highest volume of that day. Here, don't really have anything here. This is kind of dead, slow. This one stands out. We're above it, right? And then we have our this area here, which I'll just mark. But I think this is where the bulk of the things are going to come from. NFP is down here, non-farm payroll. This low, get rid of. The settlement price, I think I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to move it to, today is the 9th. So the 7th, the 6th, was it? And let's throw in settlement price. And let's do it like that. So do a settlement price. Let's put it back the way it was. All right, so we got that. Um, yeah, I definitely would look for a short. Let's go to 15 minute. I think I'm ready for 15. Yeah, still looking for short. Um, 5 minute. Back to 15. Strong volume here. We cleared it. Okay. Back to 15. I'm back to 5. Smile. Yeah. Boom. Top. Nice top there and drop. So zoom out. How far in did we go into that? Not far enough. I think we can go further in. I do like the fact that we came here and bounced. You see that volume came in and price decided to reverse. But there's nothing down here. We cleared both sides. So there's nothing to stop price coming lower. And I don't have anything that really stood out to go into the 1 minute. I do like this rejection here in the AM and then this drop. But I think this is creating liquidity. Let's call it liquidity. Liquidity. Let's call it liquidity there. Because I think we should hopefully come down to this right here. I could be wrong. It's 5 minute. That's really where price couldn't really just get above. It just really chopped around in there. So I like to see price come and then reject that. Let's go to the 1 minute. Just to go to the 1 minute. I don't have anything there. Okay. So we'll gauge how price goes. My goal is to come way down here. We cleared all of that. I don't really have anything here really stopping us. This is right here is a strong buying 1 minute buy. I just gotta be mindful of that. Well, other than that, that's pretty much it for this one. Let's go to I got highs, lows. I got just about everything that I can think of. Let's go to NQ. 30-minute first to clear up stuff. All right. So NQ is doing this. Let's bring this up here. The high of that day was here. NQ really pushed the envelope. So NQ has much more buying than ES. So that's going to be an issue. All right. So, but down here, I can sell above here. But I need to be cautious of these buyings that came in. Clear this NFP. Clear that. Yeah. So NQ has more buying than ES. Still down here at the bottom, we got this. ES doesn't have that, so I have to be cautious of the things here that are holding price up. Mostly down here, because I really look to see what's in this candle down there. We have the pre-market high, which is strong. That's quite annoying. This Nitro won't stop trying to sell me stuff. All right, so we got that right here. Our lows down here. All right, back to the weekly. I can get rid of that. Let's put this one there. This is weekly high. Let's go to the day. Okay, that's a little thicker. 3. Go to the daily. Zoom out. No volume. Price is rising. Go to the 4 hour. Strong volume in this here. All right there. So NQ is definitely still probably just buying, but look at that rejection. So this area I'm very interested in. 1 hour. Couldn't get below this. Where volume started up again. Selling right here. 30 minutes. Buying that failed. Selling right here. Okay. 15-minute. And we're holding that and holding it since the market open. Held, holding it here. It's coming somewhat of a key level because price is just holding it. Something's going on at this actual number. Let's ask the group. All right. Let's go to 15-minute. Oh. Okay. $5-minute. 15-minute. $5-minute. There's still a lot of buying on here. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be important. If we stay nerfed down here, I'm looking for lower prices. And the next one is down here, so back to 30 minute real quickly. Anything sticks out? This sticks out. We cleared it. This sticks out. Go to the get rid of that one. Let's go to the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, if we're being nerfed down here, is that a 5 minute one? Yeah, we're being nerfed down here. But if price can hold down here, I'm definitely gonna look for shorts on NQ on ES. Let's do settlement price. I know I never turned on my clock. So let's see what's going on. Let's take this one. Put it to 7. Should do. Boom. Okay. What's my clock? My sound working? There it is. Okay. All right. So highs, lows, pre-market high. All right. So like the price can stay nerfed. I like to see price come down here. Let's go to NQ. NQ. Let's go to VIX. 30 minute. Zoom out. That's about all the zoom I'm gonna get. We're staying above this. This won't work. This won't work. This one might work. That won't work. This one. What we got here. Okay. That. That's what we're working with. Okay. There's something up here. It's a high. Get rid of this weekly. Okay. 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 I think on day. Let's go to weekly for this one. Yeah, I don't really got a weekly thing. Price has been dropping. Daily. 4 hours. 1 hour. Okay. We're done here. All right. Put you to the 5 minute. Zoom out. Nice absorption. All right. So what I'm looking at here is that if NQ can hold this or even reject up here, these are the areas for rejection. I'll see price come down. I like to see price come down here. It's about a 20-point move. I'll come back and fill up NFP. Um, we are clear for lower prices for ES. NQ is in a range. VIX had no idea. Um, so yeah, so NQ can reject maybe this area right here. It has on the 5 minute. All right, so this area here, so it'll come down, so I'll reject. Not to see ES reject the areas that it has here. I'll mark this one here like that. 5 minute by itself, no added boxes because we have prices above and we may have liquidity above as well. So put an alert here. I'm not really gonna put an I put one for right here because we're kind of close to it, but I want to really set one. That's pretty much it. All right, let's see if anybody has anything else they're sharing. Okay, nothing here. Nothing from Dylan. So that's essentially it. That's all I really got. I'm just waiting to see how price reacts to these. I like to see price drop and then reject. Maybe come up here. Maybe ES will come here and hit liquidity because I think we still have a higher demand, a higher supply zone. So I'll put another alert. That's pretty much it. So that's it for me. Be back in the evening. Adios.